Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market just opened up about 2 minutes ago. Okay, I have an order at 120.95. Okay, so I'm in there for my opening allotment there. Looking like I might be able to add some more here. Decided to just give me the quick $75. How high did it go? So at this point, I'm going to go for the fake break of that pattern. Whoops. So 116.55. So now pretty much looking for a double bottom where it breaks down, but people think it's a true breakdown, but it's going to, snap back up here a little bit. So let's see if we can pretty much play off shorts hopping in here. Like I said, thinking it's the beginning of a breakdown, and it very well could be, but I'm just going to micro scalp it. But bummer. So kind of did get the double bottom in it to an extent, just, was once again off 7 cents in that one. So 6 cents and now off 7 cents. But like I said, let's see if you can make another move down there and actually break through these lows. There it is. Okay, I'm in for my allotment there at 116.55 and all out there for $75. So like I said, played, well, just in case it's 116.15. So if this thing wants to keep on breaking down. But yeah, got the fake breakdown there as I explained. So there's some shorts that shorted there, and some shorts right now are feeling a little bit panicked because the price is bouncing back upwards. They still may be all right, but the point is, right now it's looking like a sketchy breakdown because it's bouncing back upwards. And because of that sketchy breakdown, that's what I was able to capitalize there. All right, what I'm going to do here is, nice. I'm going to get short at 117. Let me get my... So what I'm doing here is I'm risking right around $40. I'm thinking that there's a chance that this green line here could be broken to the downside. But if I'm wrong, then I want out. And as of right now, maybe looking like I might be out. But that's the idea here. So I'm risking a very small amount. But if this does work out and this begins to work down to the downside, that's exactly what I would want to see. So that's the idea here. Is I think it's got a good chance of breaking down below here. But I'm also a human being. I'm not perfect. This is real life trading, not a simulator. So I very well could be wrong. And if I am wrong, then I don't want to try to get cute or anything like that. And I want to get out in that situation. So again, risking right around maybe $50-ish depending on slippage. And like I said, that's the idea here. So what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and pause, and if it looks like I'm either going to get the breakdown to the downside, or if it looks like I'm just going to have to wave the white flag and get out, well, I'll keep it rolling here as it's, like I said, green line, very, very stubborn area. But like I said, I think it's got a chance to fall. And if it does, then who knows just how long or how far this thing could potentially roll back over. And if it rolls over big, then I'm going to make a whole lot more than, we'll just call it the $50 that I'm risking. So, all right, I will go ahead and pause for the time. Well, like I said, it's trying. All right, I am going to pause at this point. It is getting close. It's sitting right at the green line here. If it can break through 50, then I'm going to bring my stop loss down. And that way, so there is the break. So now I'm still potentially going to lose money on it, but not nearly as much money as let me double check that. Nope, that should be at 81. So again, I still might lose money on it if I don't get the breakdown, but now I'm risking basically, let's call it $25. So still risk on the line here, but my risk has gone from $50 down to $25 because this very well could be a fake break. Maybe I'm totally wrong and it doesn't work out, looking like potentially here. Not looking good, but it's holding strong, holding steady. But let's see if we can get the momentum to show back up and push it downwards. And I am out there. So what did that turn out to be? Right around a $16 loss. So it is what it is. I was wrong, but I wasn't too wrong. I wasn't fully wrong, because if I was fully wrong, I would have taken, a $50 loss. But I got it in my favor, kind of. But as you see right now, it's just seeming like a fake breakdown. But it is what it is. That's what happens. Like I said, I'm not a perfect trader, but I do feel pretty good about that now, though, because there's some definitely strong movement here back to the upside. All right, I'm going to wrap things up here. So like I said, power of the stock market, power of putting your money to work, and letting your money work for you. And like I said, by letting my money work for me, now I could go out if I wanted to and buy a nice Roku product based on just trading the Roku stock itself. Now, if you do enjoy these videos, before I forget, the easiest way to communicate that to me is to hit that like button, leave me a comment down below, and then hit and subscribe to the channel. Lots of other different videos on the channel, so check that out. But like I said, as far as this video, if you want me to keep making these type, hit that like button. Also, if you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I mentioned that live chat room. Just go to claytrader.com/team, and there's a link there where you can learn more about the community. And then I also offer an educational package called the Trading Freedom Pathway, and that's where you can learn out about technical analysis and charts. And, I walk you through some of my thought process, so you'll learn all sorts of stuff and a whole lot more. And again, that can be found at claytrader.com. But if nothing else, that's totally okay. But if you enjoy these videos, want me to keep making them, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then just leave a comment down below. And, let me know what your favorite strategy to use in the market is. Or maybe if you're new, just let me know that you're new, and that's always a good place to start. So thank you for watching. I'll see you back for the next video. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.